Hello dear viewers, how are you? Today I show a mini camera, mini and Wi-Fi system. Look here, Ultra HD. Okay, Ultra HD remote boot, built-in microphone, and so many built-in battery. Okay. Just open this unboxing video. This is the manual, user manual. Look, here all everything in English, so you can read easily. This is the mainly camera. Okay, and one charging cable, and this is hanger, and one reset, this one reset pin, and this one magnetic hanger. Look, okay, there is a barcode for this camera, and look inside the lens. Inside the lens, you look, check. Okay, this good quality and with wide angle, and you can use it without memory card. There is USB, micro USB charging port, and a data transfer port. There is memory card slot, and this one may be reset, and here is power button. Okay, and here is charging LED and mic maybe. Okay, we will check, no problem. This is micro USB cable, this set USB, and this one micro USB. Okay, I have a extra cable. Look, light is on. Okay, one red light and one blue light. Red light for charging, and blue light for Wi-Fi system. Okay, now we will check its app. Which app for this? You can control with which app. So we need to check manual. There is app name. Download the app iwfcam Camera. Okay, now look. iwfcam Camera. I already download this app, this one. Okay, at first we need Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so go to Wi-Fi. Look, there is this Wi-Fi name. Okay, this barcode, in this barcode you can see this barcode name. This barcode name is here showing in Wi-Fi. Okay, so you just connect Wi-Fi with camera. Connect, just click connect. Look here writing connected, no internet access, because we are not connected with internet. That's why we no need connected internet now. Look here, one device is showing online, no internet connection. Okay, we are clicking here, touch here, skip. Okay, this camera is already come. Okay, look. Not bad quality. Okay, the camera connection, how to use, I already show. Now I want to show how you connect with internet. Okay, if you want Wi-Fi connection, you need to know Wi-Fi password. So Look here, sound, then talk back, record video, snapshot, everything is here. Three option: full HD, HD, normal. Okay, now we need to go setting. Where is the setting? Yes, here is setting. Okay, device setting, look here, Wi-Fi configuration, touch here. Look here, Wi-Fi name is showing, your room Wi-Fi showing here. After give password, okay, I am writing here my password. Wi-Fi is connected with the camera. I will show. Look, now this is connected with the Wi-Fi router. Okay, and here no camera name, no any camera here. Okay, so everything I close. Now I open the app. Now open the app. This, look, camera is connecting online. Okay, okay, very easy to connect with the Wi-Fi. And is double side voice system. So this is the way you can connect Wi-Fi, this one, and use it. Okay, thank you for watching my video.